how to find and subscribe to Ronaldo's official YouTube channel. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Cristiano Ronaldo just started a YouTube channel. He is constantly breaking subscriber records. But if you are still unable to find his channel, then this video will help you. Now without further ado, let's get started. Open YouTube on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now type @Cristiano as shown on the screen. This is Ronaldo's official YouTube handle. It might also change in the future, so I will provide the direct link to his YouTube channel in the description. For now, the @Cristiano handle is working properly. Finally, search for it. His official YouTube channel card will appear at the top. Tap on his YouTube channel card to enter his channel page for more details. As you can see, he has already achieved about 18 million subscribers within a day, breaking records. Let's support him in breaking more records. For that, tap on the subscribe button. Once subscribed, tap on the button again. A notification menu will appear. Tap on the option for all, then you will never miss his latest upload. And there you have it. You have successfully found Cristiano Ronaldo's official YouTube channel and subscribed to it. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.